video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper double-seater couch with a coffee table. So this is a very easy way of making a paper double-seater couch, and it's useful too. So I've already posted a video in my channel about to make a paper sofa or a couch, but it's only a single seater. But this one it's a double seater, so two people can sit on this. So I also made a box which acts as a coffee table, so you can just place it over here and you can place some food, or you can also keep a TV or television or anything on this table for your Barbie doll. You can also keep this as a home decor and you can use it for playing, and it has many more uses. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful and easy double couch. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this easy, beautiful and useful paper double-seater couch. So first we'll be seeing how to make the table. So for this, I'm just going to be taking a square piece of paper. So now we're just going to be making a box. So I've already posted a video in my channel about how to make a paper box. You guys can visit that. So if you guys want, I can also provide you the link for this in the description below. So first we have to fold the paper in half. So I'm just going to be going a little bit fast over here. You guys can visit my first video about how to make a paper box for more info. Now we have to fold the paper onto the opposite side like this. So the next step is that we're supposed to fold all the four sides of the paper to the middle point like this, so that we'll have triangles formed. So we just have to fold all the four sides so that we'll get another small square over here, a smaller square. Now we just have to fold any two opposite sides of the paper to the middle point over here. So now we just have to open these two parts and we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side of the paper. So I'm repeating the same step slowly like this. So you guys can use a sticky note for this as well, because it will be perfect square and correct in measure. So this sofa will be useful for like a Lego toy and will be correct in size. You can make it in a bigger size for bigger dolls. So after we complete this, I'm just opening any two sides of the paper like this, and I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line. So we'll get a structure like this. So now I'm just going to be taking the top part of the paper and folding it to the bottom. So I've posted many videos in my channel using a paper box, so you guys can visit them all. So now after we fold it, we'll have a small triangle formed at the bottom. So now I'm just going to be taking it and I'm taking this part over here and I'm repeating the same step like this. So we have to repeat the same step onto the opposite side of the paper as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be opening this part and I'm folding the paper accordingly so that we'll get a paper box. So I'm just going to be pushing it in. I'm just pushing these two corner parts over here, and I'm just going to be pushing this inside part over here. So now after we turn it, our paper table is ready. So next we'll be seeing how to make the paper couch, and since we're finished with the paper coffee table, we can move on and see how to make this couch. So for this double-seater couch, we're supposed to be making a rectangular box first. So for this, I'm just going to be taking a green rectangular piece of paper. So we're just going to be, the steps are almost similar but they are not close. So we just have to fold the paper in half like this. Now we have to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line. So after we complete this, I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line once again, one more time. So now I'm just going to be taking this whole part and I'm folding this paper into the middle. So I've already posted many videos in my channel using a rectangular box as well, so you guys can visit those as well. So I'm just going to be pressing on it tightly. So now I'm just going to be opening it and I'm folding the paper a little bit at the corner parts over here. Now I'm taking this part and I'm folding it so that it will touch the middle line. So now I'm just going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. We have to do this so that we can make the rectangular box. So this will also look like a table if we turn it this way. So now I'm just going to be opening these two, and I'm opening these two parts as well, so the paper will be only folded once. Now I'm just going to be pushing the top part of the paper inside. We have to do this slowly. So I'm just going to be pushing it inside over here at the top part. Now I'm just going to be folding this paper in slowly. So you guys have to do the folds properly so that it can go in. You guys can also apply tape or glue or anything to make this part go in and make it stick. So you guys can rewind this video and see it again to how to make a rectangular box in a proper manner. So now we'll have a rectangle and I'm turning the rectangle to the opposite side. So now we'll be making the top part for the rectangles. So for this, I'm just going to be taking some paper. So I'm just going to be taking some orange paper and I'm cutting out a little bit from that paper so that I'll be easy to show you guys. So I'm just going to be cutting it out a little bit. 1 second, please wait. Yeah, so now we'll have a little structure like this. So now I'm just going to be placing it over here to get the correct measure over here. So you guys can use a pencil as well, or you can just cut it over here. So I'm just going to be marking a point over here if you don't have the correct point. So now I'm just going to be cutting this point slowly like this until over here. Now I'm just going to be cutting over here so that we'll get a rectangle. So now I'm just going to be opening a glue bottle and I'm applying some glue onto the bottom part of the paper slowly like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking the bottom or top part that you folded and I'm pressing it to here so that we'll have a structure like this. So I'm pressing it onto the bottom. You guys can press it from the top as well to make it look more pressy and compressed. So after we complete this, we're just supposed to stick it onto the back part of the paper pouch over here. So I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the bottom part of the paper slowly like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be using my hand to spread the glue. You guys can use a toothpick, ice cream stick or anything as I say in all my videos. So I'm just going to be pressing it over here and I'm turning it. So the top part for the couch is ready. So now we'll be making the two handle parts so that you can put the hand for the Barbie or Lego doll. So for this, I'm just going to be taking some paper again and I'm cutting out a rectangle, small rectangle over here. I'm cutting it in half and I'm cutting this small rectangle in half as well because we'll have two handles, two parts where we have to put the hand. So I'm just going to be folding it in half over here slowly like this. So I'm just going to be applying some glue on the bottommost part of the paper. And now I'm just going to be using my hand to spread the glue and I'm sticking this paper slowly like this. So I'm just going to be cutting the paper a little bit onto the bottom part so that it will be correct in measure. So I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So if you guys feel like it's easy, you can fold the paper in half. Then you can do this step. But if you do that, we'll have like a small line formed over here because of the half fold. So now we've completed and I'm just going to be pressing and pushing the paper from the top part over here to make it more lumpy. So you can just put it on a table and you can push it over here. As you guys can see, it will look like a press structure. So I'm just going to be pushing it over here so we'll have two structures. So I'm just going to be cutting it onto the corner parts over here as well because you see this will not fit perfectly, so we have to make it fit over here on the line. So I have to cut this one as well. So if you can see, this one is coming a little bit past over here and it's not necessary. So I'm just going to be cutting it a little bit onto this part, this side and this side of the paper as well. So you guys do not have to do this if the paper is correct in measure. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue onto the bottommost part of the paper. So you have to do this slowly. And I'm using my hand to spread the glue and I'm sticking this part over here. So you have to press it slowly like this and gently over here. Now I'm just going to be taking the other part over here as well. So I'm just going to be doing it some time to dry because they can only dry slowly. You should not do it in a very fast manner. So please be very careful while doing it because if you don't do it strongly, then while you're playing it might come off and you guys might get angry and you might get disturbed while you're playing with your dolls. So we just have to press it, or you can use tape as well and do this slowly. So now I'm applying some glue onto the opposite side of the paper slowly like this and I'm spreading the glue and I'm sticking it onto the opposite side like this. So since it's big, I'm just going to be taking it one more time and I'm applying some glue one more time to make it perfect so that I don't get disturbed while playing. So after we complete, I'm just taking this part over here. So after we complete this, our paper cushion or couch is also ready and we'll also have a paper table like this. So as you guys can see, this is a very easy way of making a paper double-seater couch with a small coffee table or table. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching and please share this video to all your friends and family and watch it together. I post a video every day in my channel and it includes very much fun crafts like these. So go visit my channel for more interesting videos like this. And so that's the end of my video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.